Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Depop under 18. Depop is a popular social marketplace where users can buy and sell a wide range of items, from clothing and accessories to electronics and more. If you are under 18 and want to use Depop, there are some important things to know before getting started. First, you need to have permission from a parent or guardian to use Depop. Depop requires all users to be at least 13 years old, and users under 18 must have parental consent to use the app. You can find more information about Depop's terms of service on their website. To get started, download the Depop app from the App Store on your device. Once you have downloaded the app, you can create an account by tapping the Sign Up button. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. When creating your account, make sure to use a valid email address and a strong password. It is also a good idea to use a profile picture in bio that represents you and what you are interested in. This will help other users get to know you and what you are selling. Once you have created your account, you can start exploring the app and looking for items to buy or sell. You can browse through categories, such as clothing, accessories, and electronics, or use the search bar to find specific items when you find an item you like. You can tap on it to view more details, such as the price, description, and photos. If you want to sell items on Depop, you can create a listing by tapping the Sell button. You will need to provide some basic information, such as the item's title, description, price, and photos. Make sure to use clear and well-lit photos, and include as much detail as possible in your description. When buying or selling on Depop, make sure to follow the app's guidelines and rules. Depop has a strict policy against selling certain items, such as counterfeit or prohibited goods. You should also be careful when interacting with other users, and never send money or share personal information with someone you don't know. To stay safe on Depop, make sure to use a secure payment method, such as PayPal or credit card, and never send cash or use a wire transfer service. You should also keep your account and password secure, and never share your login information with anyone. In conclusion, using Depop under 18 requires some basic knowledge and precautions. By following these steps and guidelines, you can safely and successfully buy and sell items on Depop. Remember to always use your best judgment, and never take any risks that could put you or your personal information at risk.